Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this short video, we'll see this Hala HL1260 stylish sport look watch, which I purchased for 211 rupees. This was, and this would be one of the best watch under the budget because now it has reduced to 181, and for like 3 months I have been using this sports watch. And this is looking pretty good on hands, okay, when I put on to hands, and the budget also very reasonable, and now it has reduced to 181, and the visibility under the sun is decent, not that great. We can put on the light here, and I'll keep the detailed unboxing and the details in the full video here. If anyone are interested, please do check and please do comment your opinion.